This is how a customer of a Telarus agent would order a product and generate license keys. You come down and click on the menu and click on Settings. From here, you want to make sure that they have entered their payment information. If this was not filled in, they would have to enter their credit card information. And you want to verify that your customer has entered their billing and shipping address correctly. And this is the screen that it would be entered in. The billing information, and either it's the same or you update the address and then go and edit the shipping information. To actually purchase a license, they would come to Shop Our Products. Now, this is where you would purchase the licenses, a physical sensor if you needed it, and additional external licenses if you needed those. For each internal license, you will get 3 externals bundled with it. Now, if they're not too sure how many licenses they need based on remote locations and networking questions, we have a calculator that can help them. Note the address. It is nodeware.com/calculator. So a few simple questions. First, they'll ask how many locations do they have, and we'll assume here they have 2, a headquarters and 1 remote. You go ahead and name the locations. We'll do this one as HQ. How many subnets do they have? So let's, for the sake of argument, we'll pick 3. Now this is where some networking information is required. Do they have layer 2 communications enabled? Now layer 2, one Nodeware sensor will be able to run up to 4 Class C subnets. Be configured to support 4 Class C subnets, providing they have layer 2 communications enabled. If they do not have layer 2 communications enabled, and it's layer 3, then you would need 1 sensor per subnet. So in this case, we're going to choose layer 2, and that they have DHCP. And this is going to say we could do these 3 subnets with 1 sensor. It could be either virtual or hardware. So now let's take a look at the remote site. Once again, we'll say they have 3 subnets. This time we'll say that they do not have layer 2, but it's layer 3 communications enabled. In this case, they need 3 sensors to cover the 3 subnets. Once again, it could be either virtual or hardware. So they need a total of 4 sensors. It could be either virtual or hardware. So now with this information, we can come back here to your portal under Shopping Our Products. And we said they needed 4 licenses. Discounts will be applied based on the total number of licenses this customer has purchased. And for the sake of this example, let's say the headquarters could be run under virtual, and they only needed 1 of those. And the remote site, for whatever reason, needed to have physical sensors. There was 3 there. So you'd have 3 hardware sensors, 4 licenses. Let's add each of those to our shopping cart, and we can now proceed to checkout. This has the total summary here with the number of licenses, physical sensors, tax, and shipping charges, estimated based on the shipping address provided. Then from here, simply place the order. And it will confirm that your order has been placed. Each of the sensors, it doesn't matter if it is virtual or physical, each sensor requires a license key to be operational. To get the license key, we'll click under Generate a Key. Here it will tell us that we have 4 licenses available, and we're currently using 0 of them. We just purchased the 4 licenses. To generate the key, simply click on Generate a License Key. You can copy that to your clipboard, and then when you go over to the Nodeware sensor, you will paste this key into it, and click on Activate.